The Tinko S-Seven Pro is cordless, comes with its own charging station, and a unique one-touch self-cleaning technology. It has dual tanks which keep your clean water and solution separate from your dirty water, a 40-minute runtime, and dual-sided edge cleaning technology. This one-swipe wonder features a full-sized LCD screen with the Tineco assistant to guide you through the process. Your floors become completely dry and streak-free within minutes. I absolutely love how easy it is to use. There's that Tinko assistant I was telling you about. Simply just push the power button and prepare to be amazed. It's walking us through the process right now. It's turning on the brush roll and the lights, and watch us go. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. All you do is pull and push back and forth, and it automatically dispenses the clean water and solution mixture to clean things up. Now let's watch as it tackles this huge mess. We've got a lake of milk, goldfish, and coffee grounds here, and look at how easy it is to clean things up. It cleans everything wet and dry all at the same time, and even uses that dual edge cleaning technology to go right.
Welcome you guys for coming into the stream, Jan Yuli and Daniel, Jennifer. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Amazon customer, thank you for that follow. Yeah, just in time. You know what I mean? It's obviously it's Prime Day, so a lot of the Tinko wet dry vacs are on sale today, which is pretty awesome. So a great opportunity to show all the messes that we've cleaned up with the Tinko products over the years.